Yesterday, I challenged myself to turn this $10 into $1,000 or more using one indicator only. I could have used any indicator, but I decided to use my favorite one, which is the moving average. So, in this session, I'm going to trade live with you and we will see if I'm able to do it. Remember, this is very challenging since I'm used to use my own strategy which depend on at least 3 indicators. So this time I'm going to use only one indicator and I'm going to figure out a way to turn this $10 into $1,000 or more. By the way, if you are interested in learning binary options with my own strategy, I have a course in the description below where I will teach you everything I learned over the years and everything about my strategy. So now let's jump to the trading session. All right, everybody. So I'm going to use the moving average as explained in the intro. So the values, I'm going to use a yellow here, EMA, exponential moving average, and I'm going to use a value period of 10. All right. So based on this moving average and my own strategy, as usual, but this time I'm not going to use the other indicators. This time I will stick to this moving average. I could have used a simple moving average, but I like to use an exponential moving average. All right, so with $10, I will try to double it until I reach $1,000. So from this point, it's clear. For those who know my strategy, my students know that this one is clear. It's going up. So as you can see, I'm putting a higher position. In other forms of IQ option or other platforms, they will show you a call and put or short and long. But here in this case, we having a higher button and a lower button. So we still have 13 seconds. By the way, I trade on 1 minute expiration time. This gives me the best results. As usual, I stick to 1 minute expiration time. So let's take this first win. Great. So the first win. Now it's a little bit harder, but I guess this one is going down. I think that this one is so this one is going to make, yeah, a small downtrend from this point on. Uh the moving average will give you the overall trend, but yeah, the next candle. Let's take the next candle. So the next candle is 100% going down. The next candle, so let's put 18.5. Yeah, let's click lower and wait for it. So I'm 100%. This one is going down. I'm 100%. But the previous one is what was a little bit uh confusing. So I needed parabolic saw to understand the direction. So parabolic saw is necessary in my using my strategy, my own strategy, the strategy that I teach on the course. You can't trade without the parabolic SAR. So that strategy is simple, basically using 3 different indicators, using chart patterns, using the colors of the candles, as you can see, and with smart way you can understand the direction and the color of the candlestick, the size of the candlestick, of course. But remember, nothing is 100% sure in trading. Trading is not complicated, but somehow it's like gambling, but it's not really gambling. Yeah, let's take this one. All right, so we are at $34.23. So as I was saying, trading is not gambling, but at the same time, there's a little bit of gambling in trading because you are using indicators. Yeah, so let's put, all right, put. So the put means lower or short. In other platforms, they will tell you, they will give you short and long buttons. In this platform, IQ option, they give you higher and lower buttons. In other platforms, they will give you put and call. So it depends on the platform. All right. So as you can see here, there's somehow another strategy that I can create using only moving average, but it's not 100%. So I guess we are winning. Yeah, we are winning. But look, just look at the way the market is acting with the moving average. So the next one, guys, the next one is like 90% going up. There's 90%. Why I'm saying not why I'm not 100% sure, because I'm used to use the parabolic SAR and Bollinger Bands, but in this case, so let's put $60 and let's call or put higher. Yeah, wait for it. Yeah, higher. Mm. The market tricked me there, but I'm sure the next candle is gonna be a green long candle, the same size as this one. I guess the same size as this one. This one will end above our price, yeah, our position, but the next one is gonna make a dip. So I'm yeah, it's gonna make the wick over here, but after that we are seeing a long, yeah, start making it. So after this one we are making $51. $51. So by the way, guys, if you're interested in learning the strategy that I'm using, my own strategy that I've been using over the years, I invite you to take the course. The course is in the description below. The course will be live. Once you enroll, you will have access, a lifetime access to the course. There's plenty of good stuff there. I teach you tricks, how to manage your risks and everything. So yeah, let's come back to this. Yeah, look, a good candle, green candle, as predicted. As predicted, this candle was perfect. Yeah, but the next one is a little bit tricky, because look, the market create a little bit of a dip, or sorry, a pump, and then not a pump, but a higher high and the higher low. Yeah, so this one is going up. I'm sure. I'm putting $110. I'm leaving there $3, but I guess that, yeah, I guess we are winning again. I'm winning. So this is a signal. I get this if I'm using moving average, guys. I would get my signals like a signal in a week. That's not really profitable using one indicator. Signal in a week. That's not too much for me. That's why I'm not using only one indicator. I use different indicators, because this will give me more chances to have more signals. Great. So as you can see, this one is a little bit tricky, but I believe it will come back up. Right now it's down, but um it will come back up and make me a win. So, but that's okay. If I'm losing, I will lose $110. I will call it I lost challenge, but we will see. We will see. We wait for. We still have 20 seconds. The market is looking bad right now. The position is looking bad. But I believe that this one, I guess this one is going, it's a loss. So we still have five. Oh, wait a minute. No. Great. Amazing. Last seconds. So see, last seconds I got my comeback. Um, right now, yeah, so we are at $200. Now let's put 200, and this one is going down. This one is 100% going down. This candle will keep going, or we keep being red candle, and I believe that this one is going down. This one is going down. So if we are looking at the market, the way the market acted over those points. So the market touched the moving average, the exponential moving average, the EMA, came back up, touched it down, came back up, and now it will try to touch it down. So that's why I'm putting a put position. Yeah. So yeah, as predicted, uh, yep, another 100 or the first $170 in this trade. So as predicted, the market will go a little bit under the moving average and then it will come back. So I guess I will wait for it to go down. So let's put 300 and let's wait for it. Yeah, so the market now is under the moving average. I guess that I'm calling or I'm longing. So I will click higher. Yep, a higher position. And from this point, the market will come back up. So it will make another a higher low or a lower high, and then it will come back up. Yeah, just wait for it. I'm 100% about this one. We still have 10 seconds. Um, I'm not 100% by the way. I'm like 90% because so yes, as predicted, $255 made from this trade. The market created another higher low, and I believe that yeah, so it's going up. Another chance for me to make a long position and make another $255. Yeah, this one is going up also. So the market will not go under the moving average. We stay above the moving average. The trend will continue. Yeah, so the trend will continue. Remember that. So look at the behavior of the market when we use the moving average. So the same direction, the same performance. So just remember that the market will do the same performance. But please understand that I'm not financial advisor and this video is not made for financial advice. So let's take this win. Yeah, $255. What? Yeah, we are at $887. So we still have, I guess, two positions to open, but something is happening. Look, what's happening? The market, yeah. So I guess, yeah. The market is flipping here. The market will go under. Oh, it's a little bit risky now. The trend is changing. Sorry, and I guess that this is not the best moment to keep trading. I guess this one and the next trade, and then I will stop. This time the market is creating a red candle, and the next one I'm not sure. So let's look what's happening in this trade, and after that, I will decide what I'm going to do with my trade. Yeah, so I guess we will be at yeah $1,000. Yeah, great. Yeah, so we reached $1,000. Amazing. I guess yeah, I guess the market is flipping, and this is risky. So this one is going down, and then we'll stop. I'm sure this one is going down. This one is going down. Look, the market is making something new. There is a new behavior with the market, and I'm not sure I will not continue trading on this. So the signal will end here. I guess that signal is going to end here. Hopefully, I'm not losing this trade. This one it was risky. I should have should not open this trade because it's a little bit risky. The behavior of the market is changing, and I'm not ready for it. I'm not using my other indicators, so I understand that I should quit here. So let's great last seconds. Oh, thank God. Yeah, thank God. So yeah, as you can see, guys, we win, and I'm grateful. We made more than $1,000 starting from $10. So please, if you like the video, subscribe, and I will try to upload more videos. I will try to put more live trading sessions for you, and I hope to teach you more and more and more. So great, and have a nice day.